Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged diesel Duramax engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. Vehicle has a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, as well as Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating, integrated trailer braking system, wireless charging for your cell phone, USB port and outlets all around. Vehicle has dual glove boxes, as well as Bose audio, and our heated and ventilated AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 on the front door, and Duramax turbo diesel on the front fender. The AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front, raising that front end 2 inches for the big wheel and tire package. You have LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, the red recovery hooks, color-matched front bumper and grille. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. We have LED brake lights, color-matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, as well as the GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior, second row, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, as well as a nice single panel sunroof over the driver and passenger. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.